Hello, this is Brad Rosley. Today we're going to talk about how to add offline assets into your Money Guide Pro financial plan. We're going to start off by, after you log into your Money Guide Pro website, always go to where it says My Plans up here in the top left, and that'll bring you to a page that looks something like this. From here, we're going to go into My Financial Goal Plan and go under Resources. Click on Resources. If you'd like to add an investment asset, you click on Investment Asset, scroll down, and look at the type of assets you would like to add. If you want to add a 401k, an IRA, any taxable account. So let's look at the taxable account. We hit Add, and you say who the owners are. Let's say it's joint. And then under Name or Description, you can put ABC Brokerage. You can either add the total amount to it one time, or you can add the individual holdings to it. Either way. If you add the holdings, you need to know the specific name, or even better, the symbol of the holding, whether it's a mutual fund or a stock or bond. If you just want to add the total amount, you can do that as well. That might be the easier way. You simply put in the total amount, hit enter. Ideally, you would also know these answers as well. If you don't know them, you can email or fax us the recent statement, and we'll do that for you. And that's all there is to it. We'll say right now this is unclassified because we don't know where the classifications belong. The second thing you can do, well, obviously it asks you here what the cost basis is as well for tax purposes. It asks us also if you make additions to the account. If it's yes, then you'd go ahead and you'd say, I'm putting in how much money every month, so, or how much money every year, $1,000 a year until my retirement, and now that has that as a deposit being made every year. Some of the other things you might want to add here under the college savings plans, annuities, IRAs, 401ks, those are some of the common assets there. Also here under other assets, under resources, if you'd like to add your home, you simply again, click the Add button. Now, all this is for manual input. Something like a home has to be on it this way. So you put in what type of home it is, who owns it, the market value, not $3 million, well, let's make it $1 million. You're going to grow, yes. Do I want to use the home to help me fund my retirement goal? If the answer is yes, then you have to add in here how much you expect to receive from the home. Well, let's say in this case we're going to take $500,000 of our proceeds and use that towards our retirement goal. We're going to take the rest of the money and use it towards downsizing and use it towards a second or a new home at that point in retirement. When do you expect to sell it? Let's say at retirement. Other examples that are on here are collectibles, personal property, vehicles. If you own a business and you're going to be selling that, or real estate, that shows up here as well. Life insurance policies, 529 plans show up here also. Future cash property. One thing that a lot of people don't include that should is an inheritance. If you expect to get an inheritance, let's put that under Add and include that in your plan. Now, if this is coming from a parent, we don't have to think that we're going to receive it anytime soon. Select your own year, and maybe you want to assume your parent lived 95 years old or something like that. So let's include a number out in the future, and now it includes it in the plan that you'll be getting something. If you're not sure how much that might be, you maybe lowball that number, but now that's included into your retirement plan. So this is how you enter other assets into your account. You can also add insurance policies, whether or not they're permanent or term insurance policies in this area, and you can add liabilities in here as well. So if you have loans, whether it be a car loan or mortgage that's in here already, it's all available to do on this resources page. This blue link here is if you want to have the data scraped in and entered automatically for you every day. We've talked about that before, and there's another video on Yobi on how to have your account information basically screenshotted from your investment institution right into your financial plan on a daily basis. Thanks for listening a lot today. Appreciate it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call our office, 630-942-9007. Thanks a lot and have a great day.